Mix Coca-Cola with charcoal, and you won't believe the result. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Maker Mike channel. Charcoal is something almost every household has, beyond its common uses. Charcoal has some surprisingly powerful properties. Did you know that when charcoal is crushed into small pieces and mixed with Coca-Cola, it can become a mixture with remarkable strength? I learned this way of using charcoal from my father, a traditional trick that has been passed down through generations, and one I still use to this day. Stay with me through the entire video, and let's take a closer look at what this simple mixture can really do. Once the charcoal is crushed into small pieces, take a kitchen strainer and sift it slowly into a bowl. You want to keep only the fine powder and leave the larger chunks behind. This fine charcoal works better and is easier to mix. It is a simple step, but it makes a big difference when you start cleaning. Let me know your state in the comments. It's always great to see how many DIY folks are out there. Now you start mixing everything together. Pour a small amount of dish soap into the bowl with the fine charcoal powder. Then add some Coca-Cola and stir it slowly until you get a dark, smooth mixture. You are not looking for anything fancy here. You just want the charcoal fully wet and evenly mixed. This combination helps loosen old grease and burnt stains that water alone cannot touch. Now, take that mixture and spread it right onto the burned bottom of the pan. Use a sponge or your fingers and work it into the dark, stuck-on areas until everything is covered. Do not rush this part. Let the mixture sit for about 5 minutes so it has time to soften the old burnt grease. You will notice the surface starting to loosen as it soaks. This short waiting time makes the next step much easier and saves you from scrubbing too hard later. After the mixture has had time to work, take a firm sponge and start scrubbing the bottom of the pan. Use steady pressure and move in small circles, focusing on the darkest spots first. You will feel the burnt layer breaking loose instead of fighting back. Rinse the pan with water and check your progress. If a few stains are still hanging on, do not get frustrated. Just apply a little more of the mixture and scrub again. A second pass usually finishes the job and brings the metal back to a clean, smooth shine. Now, the pan looks clean again, without harsh chemicals or expensive cleaners. A little charcoal, a simple mix, and some patience can save tools and cookware you already own. If this tip helped you, give the video a like, share it with a friend who enjoys fixing things at home, and subscribe for more simple DIY ideas you can actually use.